Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a family on your Steam Deck so you can share games back and forth with each other. So just go up to the top and go to your profile picture and select A on this. Then under here, let's go on down over to account details. Select this. Now go on down to family management. And if you have a pending invite from a family member or something like that, it will show up under here. And many people probably won't realize this, but they have to come to this section and then they have to hit confirm on here, accept, and then you will get an email address to confirm this. So I was going to say confirm email address right here. Check your email. Otherwise, you won't be able to join. So now we have to go to create family if we want to create our own. And then just enter in the family name here. Let's do Hi. The Hi family. And then go to create. So let's go on over there and get rid of the keyboard and then go to create. Limited accounts are not able. Okay, so you can't be a limited account. So I believe you have to spend like $5 or something on your account to go ahead and use that. But once you go through this process here, you should be able to send out invites to everyone on your friends list. And then once you send an invite, your friends have to come to this section and just simply accept it. And then go to your email address and you should be good to go. So if you do get that warning, like the limited account, I believe you have to spend $5 or more, or you have to at least fund it to your wallet. Otherwise, you can see my wallet balance is 0. So you have to add a payment method and just add $5 to it, or buy a game for like $5. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.